Hello. Today, I will be walking you through the steps of how to update your program's resource card. To begin, you will first want to log into your account at hccareapp.org. Once logged in, select My Program Tools. Then, from the drop-down, select Edit Program Listings. If you are the claimer of multiple programs in CAREAPP, all of your programs will display on this screen. Find the program you would like to update and click Program. The screen will display the program information and can now be edited. As you can see, here you can edit all information from the program's name, up to 2 preferred contact methods. See the options available here in drop-down menus. You can edit the program's main phone number, main email address, and the website URL. You can go on to edit your program's current availability towards new clients and provide your program description. What are the main services of your program, and are there any secondary services provided? You can make edits to the population that you serve and also any and all languages that you support. If there is any cost associated to your services. And lastly, you can even add if there are any eligibility requirements for services through your program. After you have completed your edits to any or all of these programs, simply click Save and go back to view the changes. And that is it for updating your program's resource card.